Hello and welcome back. In this lecture, we'll dive into stateful firewalls. NetFilter has a module called Contract that permits us to inspect and restrict network connections using a method called connection tracking. Connection tracking refers to the ability of maintaining state information about a connection in memory tables. Firewalls that do this are known as stateful and are much more secure than their stateless or packet-based counterpart. The decision to drop or to accept a packet is not taken anymore based on the values in the packet headers like source or destination IP addresses or ports, but on the relation the packet has with other packets. For a packet, there are the following states defined. A new packet is the first packet of any connection. It's in fact the packet requesting a new connection, such as a TCP packet with the SYN flag set or the first ICMP echo request packet. Packets in the established state are those that are already part of an existing connection. All packets of the connection starting with the second packet and until the last one are in the established state. Related packets are those that are requesting a new connection but are already part of an existing connection, such as FTP data transfer or an ICMP error. In general, it's good practice to accept these packets. An invalid packet is not part of any connection in the connection tracking table. These packets cannot be identified in any state. Generally, it is a good idea to drop everything in this state. And the last state is called untracked and it's not so often used. Briefly, if a packet is marked within the raw table with the no track target, then that packet will show up as untracked in the state machine. Note that you can use the stateful functionality of IP tables connection tracking with any network protocol even though the protocol itself is stateless, such as UDP or ICMP. To match packets based on their state, use -m state, --" state, and then a comma-separated values of packets states written in uppercase letters. In this example, we are accepting incoming packets if they are already part of an existing connection. Another rule or the policy of the input chain could drop the first packet of the connection which is in the new state. This means that the host can connect to any destination using any protocol, but no one is allowed to connect to services running on the host. This was just an introduction to stateful firewalls. In the next lecture, we'll see a real example of how to configure a stateful firewall using IP tables.